Today I'm going to answer some of your questions about maple syrup. So let's jump in. What is maple syrup? It's that amber liquid made from sap from maple trees. Our maple season here in New York runs between February to early April. Maple syrup, when canned properly and sealed in a sterile container, will last indefinitely. Once it's open, it must be refrigerated. In the refrigerator, it'll last up to 6 months. Sometimes maple syrup can get a little bit of mold on the top. It just looks like sludge, not your typical fuzzy mold on bread. If that occurs, it's still okay. It's not bad. Don't throw that liquid gold out. Instead, just scoop off the mold and bring it back to a boil and then put it back in the container once it's been sterilized. Here at Sunny Cove Farm, we offer a variety of sizes. Our more standard sizes range from 100 milliliter, half pint, pint, quart, half gallon, and if you're a big family who enjoys lots of maple syrup like mine, we have whole gallons as well. Our maple syrup can be shipped all across the country. Usually we recommend, if you want to buy a gallon or more, buying it in the half gallon sizes because these fit best in a flat rate package. Maple Days is coming up. That's an open house that we host every year where we show you how we make maple syrup the old-fashioned way. This year, Maple Days is Friday and Saturday, March 18th and 19th from 12 to 6 p.m. It's a free event open to everybody. Come see how we boil maple syrup in our sugar house. Visit Farmer Jerry and ask him all the questions. Warm up inside in our farm store with some homemade maple goodies and try a maple steamer using our raw milk.